Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto World. In this video I will share a new profitable project of 2022 which has the name SafeAPI.finance. The link will be provided in the video description. When you click on this link you will get same interface as you can see on the screen. So friend, in this video we will discuss whole review. Before starting video, if you are on this channel, press the subscribe button and press also bell icon for the latest updates. So let's start the video without any wasting time. If as friend, you can see home interface where you can see also keywords about tokenomics, how it's work, and socials. We will discuss about all the factors that have been given in this project. First of all, you can see highest paying auto staking auto compounding protocol and some details that highest sustainable fixed API crypto that has given also 392,637%. Next you can see about interest paid every 25 minutes or 96 times a day. So friends, you can read about all the keywords that have mentioned in this project. Next you when you click on the pre-sale, you will get same interface because the link has been not connected to this button, and this will be soon features launch. Then you can also watch about the pre-sale. This will be start very soon. Next, as it is application buy and chart features have not been yet launch. So when we click on this you will get same interface. Next we see about the safe API auto staking protocol which has a fixed staking API that is 392,637%. And also you can see about the audit and white paper. When we click about the Safe API Finance is transforming and DeFi with the Safe API auto staking protocol. Here you can see also about smart description. Next you can see about the audit paper. When we click on the audit paper and white paper, you can see about the details explanation about these features. When we click about audit paper, you will get same interface because features has not been launched. Next we click on the white paper, you will get same interface because these features have been launched. And in this video we will discuss about the white paper about this safe API.finance. First of all, you will see about this token, that how it is works and what is the behind aim and mission's vision and how it's work, what is the highest fixed API interest rate auto token burns and tokenomics also given in this PDF. Next one is how it's work. Then you can also there is a some three steps phases like buy, hold and earn, which will use to earn a lot of profit in this website. Next you can also watch about the safe API finance and their steps like safe insurance, treasury, automatic supply tokens. And next one is tokenomics, that how they are token distributed in different categories and which percentage they are their sell fees are tax fees. And next you can see automatic LP fund treasury and automatic supply control. You can see about the details. Next you can see the about roadmap, what is the past process progress report and what are the future plans. Here you can see about all the features, that what are they have been launched and when and why the next features will be launched in future. So friends, here you can see about that completed and in next future plans. Next you can see about the social media links, where you can get the website official link and their social media link. One of them we open. When we click on the Twitter profile, you can get same interface as you can see on the screen of Twitter profile of the SafeAPI.finance. And in this profile link you will get the latest post about what they are going to in next futures and about what they are going to new feature that will give you more profit about this project. Next you can see about here you can also follow them, and next you can see about the followers about Twitter profile. Friends, as we have seen about the social media links, you can follow them, and if you have any query then you can ask from the team of Stake API. Next you can see press releases and YouTube reviews that will be features will be very soon launched, and you can see them. Next, when we scroll down our website, you can see about the tokenomics that we have discussed already in a white paper. Here is the buy tax and sell tax fees, and next automatic LP fund treasury and automatic supply control. Next, how it works, you can read about this features, that how it's work and how can you get profit from this project. There are three phases: safe, insurance fund, treasury, automatic supply to control, and their description that you can read to understand about this safe API.finance. Next, you can see about the coming soon features, press releases, YouTube reviews that will be in next future, and you will see very soon. Next, you will see about the social media links that we have opened one of them, like Twitter profile open link, and you can also follow them if you have any query about this project, that how you test on this website or how to invest, then you can ask from the team of Stay Safe API.finance. They will respond to you as soon as possible. Okay friends, we have discussed in this video home interface, about interface, and tokenomics, and also that how it's work, and social media links, that how can you contact to the team of Safe API.finance. I hope that you have cleared all the things that we discussed in this video. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.